Again, so in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you everything you get when you join our group. So again, this is just going to be a brief look, the briefest of looks. Either you'll be interested or you won't. And I will explain what 6 means. I haven't forgotten. So let's share screen. Let's just dive in then. So the Ninja group, okay, Ninja Forex Traders group. Okay, so like I say, we are not gurus. We are not licensed investment advisors or anything like that. We're just a group of people trying to make it work. Now, in this is our main group. I actually have a couple of members of the group have set up their own groups. So all in all, we're actually a bigger community. But in the main group, look, we've got 507 members that are all on the same side. Okay. One thing you have to realize with Forex is if I'm going to take a trade on GBP USD, like I'm expecting this to go up in a minute. If I take that and I tell you, it doesn't hurt me. It doesn't cost me money to tell you that, right? So that's why there's no competition in our group, and it's why if you've been in network marketing groups, affiliate marketing groups, if you've been in even e-commerce groups where you're trying to sell stuff, online. If I help you sell calculators, for example, if I sell calculators and I teach you, I've just created a competitor. That's not the way it works here with Forex. It's a level playing field. Takes $10 million US to move one of those pips that we talked about. So there are, if we all take the same trades, we're not competing with each other. We can't affect the market, so it doesn't matter. So not at that sort of money anyway. I don't trade anywhere near $10 million a pip, right? So that's the first thing. If we come and look at the group, what we do is we have the guide section, and that is, if you're new, we kind of take you through it start to finish. So you've got essential steps, new member orientation, what you must do to succeed here, how to get into the Discord chat, Ninjacator access, how to get that Ninjacator, right? We've got fast start, like just the basics. We have a live trading schedule so you can see when we're on, right? And the more come in. And then we've got resources like risk calculators and compounding, how to do that, how fast does each currency pair move. We have the Ninja trading system. We've got a workbook, how to get Ninjacator, Ninja Matrix and everything, the proper section for that. We've, explained how to install it and use it. And all of these videos, guys, are really short videos. It's kind of your foundation because it stops people asking questions all the time on the live sessions when we're looking for trades. So we can just direct people to these, like when they want to get another bonus, guys, you get called Exit Manager. And then we've got, scalping sessions, how that works. And scalping is a strategy where you're in and out, quick trades, right? If you're short on time, fantastic. Some people prefer longer term trades. We've got banker strategy. We've got this Ninja Smart Money that James used to pass his funded account trial. We've got Q&A session every Monday. Brian hosts that. There's some bonus bits from me. Okay, so that's kind of the guide section in a nutshell. There's a couple more bits on there, but if you look, we come back to home, if it will load. Always happens when you're in a call. So there's a welcome video. There's Rob's live session this morning. Rob's one of our live hosts. Funny face, Henrik. Okay, people chatting. There's mine from yesterday. Here's Kevin, who programmed the Ninjacator for us, dropping trades in. There's, an update on how I was doing with the funded account at the time. People leaving comments, just checking that it's real, because it's like, wow, looking great, smashing it and all that, fantastic. Simon grabbed 4 pips and so on and so on, and you'll see support, and you'll see the live sessions streamed into here, but you can also get on a Zoom so you can interact with us, you can ask questions. Here's Dalton, he's in the US, so he does a US friendly time. Holy cow, I've been using Bollinger Bands wrong all this time. Thank you. What a great informative video. I picked up so much that it fundamentally changed the way I look at trading. Amazing. Thank you again. Okay, this is what we do, guys. This is what we do. So that's kind of the Ninja group. Now, how much do you think we charge for that? Nothing. It's for free. And then we get the Discord channel I mentioned, and this is raining pips. So do you remember that spreadsheet I showed you? That's all very well me showing you in retrospect, but does this stuff work in real life? 70 pips, 39 pips, 23 pips there. I got 25 this morning. I was done. I was literally done by 10 past 8 in the morning. Okay, I was literally done. Pure NTS. 2.5 days worth of trading there for me. This is something called EMAs, moving averages, but you've got 10 pips on those. Again, this is, you know, I've shown you the real simple stuff that works. Then you can get more advanced if you want and do even better. You know, there's, I'm not really meant to read out percentages, but look, 30%. It's a jet plane just gone overhead. If you could hear that, that was a jet plane if you could. Right. 47 pips for me today, NZD CAD. Just got out of Euro NZD, so 51 in total. And what you see up here, look, we asked people to post losses as well, win, lose, or break even. So there you go. Look, Ryan, -7. There's his loss, -12. But he was 24 pips up overall, so that's great. And, you know, this goes on forever, guys, so I'm not going to labor the point, okay? It just goes on and on and on and on and on. See if I can find another loss. Wow, Nikki, well done, 118 pips. So anyway, so again, we have in here, we have Ninja Smart Money. So what James used to pass the FTMO, look, today, David's actually put a trade in for us and he teaches the strategy. So you don't just, you know, there are more trades than he puts in here for us, okay? Again, they're trade ideas, they're not trade signals. We are not a trade signal service. Then we get weekly chart markups from Kevin, who will put information in when he sees a good setup. And then now we've got a new one, which is something you'll see in a second, DeLorean. So we've got a lot going on to help you be successful. And how much do we charge for it? Nothing, absolutely nothing. Now I'm going to teach you the secret lesson, the secret weapon, rather, not lesson, secret weapon. So when I wanted to learn to trade, I was actually introduced to IM Academy. And I wasn't really interested until I saw the software. So if you're watching this, do you still drive a horse and cart or do you have a car? Have you heard of a dishwasher? How many people use a dishwasher rather than wash pots by hand? Do you have a washing machine or go to the laundrette to use a washing machine rather than wash your clothes in the river? And that's the way I look at this software. Now, yeah, I can look at a chart now after doing this for a while and have a pretty good idea of which way price is going to go. When I was new, no chance, okay? And even though I can do that now and I can work stuff out, I still like to use tools. If I want a hole, I'll use a drill. Anything that will make my life easier. So I was introduced to this, the harmonic scanner, which I've actually got open here. What the harmonic scanner does, it looks for points where in this range, where this D point is, round about here somewhere, we could expect the price to potentially change from going down to going up. GBP JPY, round about this zone, we can expect the price to stop going down and start going up. NZD JPY, we could expect the price to stop going down, start going up. This one, again, they're all looking for buys at the minute, but never mind. So here you go, odd CAD. So let's just have a quick sanity check on this one. So if I change the time here to London, so which is what my trading view does. Don't need that graph at the bottom. So there, look at 1 AM that will be. So on the 19th of July at 1 AM, we could expect the price to go up. So if I come here to odd CAD, this is what we do, guys. I'm going to put an arrow on the 19th. Is that right? Because that doesn't look right, because that looks like the low point to me. Do that then. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So there's one, right? So this candle here, we are expecting the price to go up according to the harmonic scanner, right? So how accurate is the harmonic scanner? Harmonic pattern Forex success rate. I'll put this one up because I'm not sure how well you can see that other one. Same info. 100,000 harmonic patterns were studied. Butterfly pattern, I'll show you that in a second, 88.44% successful, 90% successful on a bat, Gartley 88 and a crab 90% successful. So the harmonic patterns, they do move in the right direction. So this is a Gartley, for example, right? So this pattern here is a Gartley. So we could expect, according to this study, for a Gartley pattern to be around about 88% successful. 88% of the time, if this tells me the price should go up, right, we would expect to be right 88% of the time. Question is, how far? How far will it go up? Okay, and to be honest with you, one of the little things that we teach you is something called pitchforks. And we can tell by these lines where price is probably likely to go. But anyway, that's something extra for you that we can teach you, right? If you want to use them, you don't have to use them. So if we come back here, look, these candles are the 1 hour candles, all right? And these are the 15-minute candles. So round about here, at 1 in the morning, we were expecting price to go up. But what is the background? Is it blue for a buy or is it red for a sell? So we're expecting price to go up, but actually we've got a red background. What does the Ninjacator tell us? Let's go on Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, and is that on? Yeah, that's on. Where did we get the Ninjacator? Here. We've got the Ninjacator there. All right, let's go back on ordinary candles so we can measure this properly. So we actually got the Ninjacator alert. We got the harmonic pattern signal here. If we'd have got into it there, we'd have gone 3 pips profit, -5, +4, +1, okay, +5. So not a lot happening, and we'd have been sat there for roughly 3 hours. Each candle's 15 minutes. So roughly for 3 hours, nothing really happened. When we get the Ninja alert, it gets more exciting. But if we got straight in on the Ninja alert, okay, remember we can't get in on there, it'd be the candle after. We know it went as high as that, 2 pips profit, it came down there, -3, so we would have been in drawdown, what's called drawdown when the trade's negative. If, however, we wait for the background on the matrix to confirm with the Ninjacator, we would have got straight into the trade on this candle here. We got 2 pips negative, but then it shot up, right? How do we know whether to stay in or not? Well, the background's still blue. Potential of 95. And if we got out when the matrix changed over here, it would be on that candle there, 46. Guys, we've got it dialed down. So can you see how useful this is? Because this is telling me to go and look at OddCAD. If I didn't have that, okay, and I'm just looking at OddCAD on its own. Let's remove my drawings there from something else. If I'm just looking at OddCAD, how do I know to get into that for a buy? So that software for me is scanning the market 24 hours a day, all the time the markets are open, and it's looking for those particular patterns, those harmonic patterns. It's looking for the bats, the Gartleys. There's a cipher pattern now. Where are you? You've got a cipher, there's a cipher. It's looking for these patterns. Is it right all the time? No, it's not. It's only right 88% of the time. Okay, and then you need to know how far it's going to go. Look at that, beautiful, right? And this is the main way I trade, guys, is using this tool and then using the Ninjacator and the matrix now to back that trade up. Okay, we teach you exit strategies and stuff like that when you're in the group. But fundamentally, do you think you could use what I already showed you on the other videos to make some money? Now, that is in the basic package. The scanner is in the basic package. And along with that, if you want to learn to trade, you will also get this, Go Live. And here we have lots and lots and lots of professional Forex traders. Like a lot of people of Manny Canonis, a lot of people of Anastasia. Tyrone is very popular, and I'll explain why in a minute. So all of these people are here. The guy I love, Barley, right at the bottom normally. There he is. He's a fantastic trader, okay, in the UK. Great guy. And let's just show you his, for example. So remember, what we are teaching you is system trading. You follow the system. You wait for the indicator. You wait for the matrix. Okay, maybe there's a couple more things you might want to use to confirm. You might want to use pitchforks. You may not. Okay, you use the scanner to give you an initial call to go and look at a trade. You wait for the indicator to confirm, and you wait for the matrix to confirm that. That's the system, right? Anyone can do that. If you really want to understand the market zone, you want to learn, you come over here and you go to favorite sessions and you learn about supply and demand zones. You learn about rejection setups. You learn about continuation setups. You learn about volume setups. And all of these things add to your trading to get to the point where Barley Granville doesn't use an indicator. Barley Granville doesn't use the matrix, okay? But to learn what he did takes time, and it will take you time. But while you're learning it, why not be doing this, right? So you get all of these. There's beginner sessions, there's advanced sessions, you get all of those. And that's in the basic package that IM Academy charge for. Now, if you've been in IM Academy before, let me just explain this to you. We are the user manual that makes IM Academy work. We are the user manual. We are the support group. We are the people that have developed the extra bits to make it work. We are here to trade. We are traders, right? We are helping each other succeed with the trading, right? You will not find, I don't think you will find a better group, okay, in terms of trying to help everybody win. That's our group ethos, right? And this helps you win. Most people that join IM Academy don't have the Ninja group, and they don't have a supportive group. Usually they're left to, people will say, well, why do you want to come and be in a group? And why should I give my time up? Because you've got all these Go Live educators, and that's a valid point. But you can't jump on a Zoom with these guys. You can ask questions in the chat, but you can't jump on a Zoom, right? So who's on there? Is this Lex Waves? I used to follow Lex quite regularly. And here, look, he's talking through what's going on. And that's actually live now, and I could ask a question in chat here and so on. And he's looks like he's my message is only as he drops them in. Yeah, he hasn't dropped any trades, but you will often get trades. These guys call trades quite a lot on the sessions. Now, IM Academy, they charge, and we can't help that. We can't help the fact that they charge for what they do, and it's only fair they charge because there's servers, there's these guys to pay, I guess. We can't help it. Everything I showed you that we do as the Ninja Group is for free. And we can't help the fact that they charge for it. But what we can do is this. We can show you how you can make $6 a day. Why $6 a day? Because that's what IM Academy costs. That's what it works out to. You pay it monthly. You may have already guessed that $6 a day is what I'm asking you. Do you think 0.10, 10 cents a pip, do you think you could make $6 a day? Come on. $6 a day, if you haven't worked it out, is 100, well, it's actually 180 a month roughly, depending on days in the month, of course, but IM Academy is 175 a month. There is a way to get it for free, but we don't really talk about that in our group much, okay? Because most people are here to trade, so you can refer a couple of people if you want. If you want to refer a couple of people, if you find some people that are into learning to trade and they want to do what we're doing, then you can refer a couple of people, and if you've got 2 paying customers on the same package as you, your package is free. Now, I asked you to remember 28. There are 28 main currency pairs that people trade. And here I looked at 2, and I didn't even look at a 24-hour period, if you remember. And I didn't include all the trades. I didn't include all the trades, okay? Even if we found some losses, because like I say, with these setups are really good. Let's just take this, for example. Look, let's look at harmonic scanner, GBP USD. We know at this point somewhere we're expecting the price to turn around, hopefully. Come over here. We got a ninja up. But what's the background telling me? Red for sell. What happened to the price? It came down. It didn't actually go up. So what I do, I come on here. I'm on Heikin Ashi. Yeah. Add alert. Ninjacator. Ninja up alert. Once per bar close. Click create. Right click. Add alert. Ninja matrix. I will often have that up or down because then it's also a good exit strategy. Once per bar close, click create. There we go. Now I've got 2 alerts set. That'll give me an alert for price going up or the background changing. That's how good this is, right? That's how good this is. There will be lots of people now, I promise, that are losing money at the minute. It's only a loss if you close it at a loss. But there'll be lots of people losing money. How do I know? Because they'd have got in at the D straight away. And they'd currently be, oops, only a couple of pips down, but they'd be down. I don't think that's right. I think that should be more. There we go, yeah. 18 pips down. They'd be 18, 19 pips down now because they're not using what we have. So, okay, so we can't help the fact that they charge, but what I can do is I can show you how to make $6 a day. You know, I can show you how to grow an account. I'm not saying if it was that easy, guys, everybody would do it. So I'm not saying it's like there isn't a learning curve. I'm being real with you. Yeah. If it was that easy, everybody would be millionaires driving Ferraris, right? You have to be able to follow the system. And then once you learn the system, you have to be, if you want to, you can go and develop and do more. With a lot of people making, you know, well, I'm not going to talk about that, but lots of people doing well, as you can see. Not everybody posts their results in here, but you know, it's not just me, guys, is it? It's not just random. It's, you know, I'm going back and back and back and back and back and back and back. Davina, Ninjacator and Matrix. Ninja Crossfire, another, I haven't even talked about Ninja Crossfire, another strategy if you want to do it, okay? Henrik, 20 pips, Euro GBP, 20 pips GBP JPY, 20 pips odd JPY, 12 pips GBP USD. Do you think he's making more than $6 a day? Come on. Come on. A 1 to 10, that's a 10% gain for a 1% risk, okay? You know, and so on and so on and so on. So, this one, $6 a day, 175 a month, and I've only shown you 2 and only bits of 2 out of 28 major currency pairs, plus crypto, plus metals, gold and silver. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, okay, you can trade those with the same tools. Metals, gold, silver, okay, plus indices, oil, you know, stocks and things like that. You can do those as well. But to be honest with you, most of us just, you don't need more. You don't need more. Okay. That compounding spreadsheet, how many pips was I looking at a day? I've taken it off now. 10 pips a day. That's what I was looking at. That's what I was looking at. Just 10 pips a day. So to sum up, guys, to sum up, right, you've got the opportunity now, right, to join us if you want to join the group. You have to join IM Academy with a member of our group. And why we say that is because it helps those people that want to get it all for free to refer to people, right? And if you want to do what we do, you need the tools we have, right? There's more. I mean, these are little add-ons. Where are we? So there are, these add-ons are about $23 a month extra. This one works great with the Matrix, okay? Calls out lots of trades and you can have short-term, longer-term. This is incredibly popular inside IM Academy. And we actually have a guy called Danny now who teaches this, and Dalton in America, he uses this as well. Dalton in particular is using it with the Ninjacator and the Matrix. Taking a minute to load here. Here we go. So this is based more on moving averages for its setup. Oh, come on. Why is it so slow? Here we go. But look at all these. 11 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago, 42 minutes ago, hour and 12, hour and 12, hour and 42, hour and 42, hour and 42, 2 hours 27, 2 hours 20. All of these potential trades. And again, this is scanning all the currency pairs 24 hours a day, so you don't have to. And it's coming up with really good setups. And then you can use the Ninjacator and the Matrix to back that up. So if you click the link that's on this page, you can find out more about what we do as a group. It will take you to this page here. Okay, but there's a 7-day money back trial with IM Academy. I would encourage you to go and just go and look at it, because then you can always get your money back if you're not happy with it. But it's the only real way to test it, guys, and really get a feel for what we do. It's the only way. I can show you results till the cows come home, but you probably won't believe them until you're actually seeing it for yourself and doing it for yourself, and you're getting on Brian's sessions or Rob's sessions or David's sessions or my sessions or Helen or Anne. Don't want to miss anybody out, or Dalton or Danny, who else, or Adrian or Tom. You know, we've got another guy in America, Tom. He's doing great things with another one of the products called Levels now, and also uses DeLorean and stuff. So anyway, click the link. It will take you to here. There's some success interviews. You know how Rob quit his job. Danny goes full time. I'm interviewing the guy that passed the FTMO challenge, soon to go on here. There's a how to join, and it talks you through the sign up process if you want to get involved, and then we will add you to the group. If you've got questions, go back to the person who shared this video with you. I'm sure they'll be happy to answer them. And I would look forward to welcoming you to our community if you want to see what we're doing, if you want to come and do what we're doing with all the support there is in the world. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. Till next time. See you in the inside.